Good morning and welcome to my wheelhouse. I'm Bo Mando. Today we are going to dress an Iron Eagle tiny house trailer hitch bump out. Right now we got a dry fit. We're going to take it all apart and put it back together to the point of being ready to set down the subfloor. Let's do this. So what we're doing here is basically a much smaller version of how the floor is built for the rest of the trailer. The only difference really is that there are bolts going through the sides holding our 2x6s in place in the rest of the trailer, and all the longer joists are held in place with joist hangers. What I'm doing right now is popping out a little piece of floor support from yesterday because I forgot to put the sill sealer underneath it. And the sill sealer is creating a barrier between the wood and the metal so no condensation gets up into the wood, and also it'll help a little bit with thermal bridging, with keeping the cold out, or the heat out, whichever one you don't want in the moment. All right. And again, since there are not bolts going through the sides, I am caulking all the pieces into place. I do not know that it's necessary for the larger part of the trailer where there's several bolts going through and sucking our wood into place. Now I'm building the box. I'm using 3-inch decking screws, 2 per joint. This will be super solid. Now this little bump out could be a closet or a spot for a fireplace or storage for batteries or a wastewater tank. And in all of those cases, that open bay there, like all the other ones in the tiny house, will get insulated with R23. Or you could put hinges on the subfloor and make yourself a nice secret compartment down there. Oh yeah, perfect fit. Okay, now we're going to do the edges. These will just be little filler strips of insulation. Then we're going to come with our sill sealer again. We'll use our cutoff piece from before. And we'll just caulk it into place there. This is the area where our walls are going to go. They are totally independent from the floor. And we're just going to temp everything into place for now because the rain is coming. We're going to cover this all up and get back at it next week. All right. Got to make sure we cut holes in this stuff for our bolts. Make it easier to poke them through. And there it is. Boop, boop, boop. All right. Got a mark on the outside where the frame is so we know where to screw into, because it's not along the edge like you would expect. And we're just temp setting this all in place for now as well. Okay, that's it. Ta-da!